Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ramani Online Mathematics. If you know you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share for me so that I can also get my subscribers. Thank you very much. We are going to look at the next topic called ratio of two variables in an equation where you have equation and that equation is containing two variables and you have to find the ratio of those two variables. How do we do it? I hope you are confused about that, but I'm going to show you the easiest way of solving questions like that. Is that okay? Very good. So let's look at the first example on the board. In 10x squared minus 9xy plus 2y squared equals 0, you have to find the ratio of x is to y. It means that you want to find the ratio of x is to y. So let me repeat the question here. You have 10x squared minus 9xy plus 2y squared equals 0. Is that okay? So we are tasked to find this. Is that okay? X is to y. So the first thing that we're going to do is that you know how to solve this quadratic equation. So you solve it quadratically. And you know that if the coefficient of the x squared is not 1, we multiply whatever that is here by the constant here. Is that okay? So the coefficient of this x squared is 10. So first you multiply 10 by 2. That gives us 20. Now when you get a 20, you then look for factors of 20. Is that okay? Now factors of 20 such that when we multiply those two factors, we look for factors of 20, we pick two numbers from there such that those two numbers, when you multiply them, you get 20, and when you add, you get negative 9. And we all know that these two numbers will be negative 4 and what's negative 5. Because if I add negative 4 to negative 5, I get negative 9. And if I multiply negative 4 by negative 9, because of the negative multiplying, you get positive 20, because 4 5 is 20. So that satisfies the condition. So what you are going to do here is that I will repeat 10x squared minus, now this 9xy is going to be replaced by this. So this is negative 4xy negative 5xy plus 2y squared equals 0. So you know how to solve quadratic equation already. So here the common term here will be 2. 10 and 4. What will be the common term of 10 and 4? The common term of 10 and 4 is what? 2. Is that okay? Or let me group them first, if not. So here will be 10 x squared minus 4xy. I wanted to go straight, but and here will be negative 5xy plus 2y. So this is what you are going to get. Now, I was saying that the common term of 10 and 4 is 2. Is that okay? And that here is, we have x here. If I bring it out, what do I have here? 5x. Okay, if you are confused, it's just like I have 10x squared divided by what I have brought out here. These 2x. You see, the 2 go into 10 5 times. That's what I have here. X going to here 1. X goes here, leaving 1x, because x squared means x times x. So that's what I have there. So that is the meaning of what I've done. Minus. Now already 2 is out. So here, leave it what? 2. X is out. So x is going to leave out only y. Is that okay? Here, because our interest is to get what is in this bracket should be the same as what will be here. So when I'm doing the factorization, I'll factorize negative out. Is that okay? Already the 5.2 has no common term. Y and y is here, so I can bring y out. Leaving 5. You see, when y comes out, it's leave it 5x. So 5x. Is that okay? Yes, you get 5x. And this side gives you what? Minus 2y equals 0. And I hope you know why I'm bringing minus. Already I factorized negative out. If I multiply this one through, you see this place will come back to positive. It will be the same thing. Is that okay? Right. So you see the one in the brackets are now the same. So I'll pick the outside one. Then I'll pick one of the bracket one. then I equate it to what? 0. Is that okay? Now what it means here is that if I take 2x minus y, it is 0. Or 5x minus 2y is also what? 0. I hope it's cool. Okay. So here, I'm going to solve this according to the way they want it here. So, mean that you're going to get two answers. Is that okay? You know, this one can also be written as, okay, x over y. I'm going to solve this one in terms of x over y. So here, if I group like terms, I have 2x equals what? Y. But remember, I need x over y. So if I divide here by 2, here by 2, here by y, here by y, you see these two will go with this. Is that okay? So I have x over y here. This y will go with this. So I have 1 over 2 here. So therefore, our ratio of x is to y will be equal to what? 1 is to what? 2. Is that okay? Then I will come back to this place, which is 5x. So if I group like term, that would be 2y. I hope you are seeing that. So I need x over y. So it means that I need to divide here by 2y, here by 2y. This 2 goes with this y goes with this. So in this case, I'm going to have the 5x over y here equals 1. Is that okay? But in this case, I need only x over y, not 5x over y. So I have to divide here by 5, here 2 by 5. So that at the end, I'm going to have x over y equals 1 over 5. So it means that x is to y is equals 1 is what? 5. So we have our two answers. Is that okay? Yes. So this is very simple to do. Let's move to the next one. So what I'm going to do is that I will leave the two for you to try whether you really understand, because you realize that the second one and the first one are almost the same. This is quadratic, this is also quadratic. So the same algorithm or the procedure that I use, if you also use it, you also get the same thing. Let's move on. So I'm going to solve the question number what? 3. Okay. Now let's look at the third example. Already the first example, I'm saying that you try it on your own. So for the third example, that's why we are to find x is to y. Okay. You have to find x is to what? Y. And this is the question that is given to us. If 9x minus 2y over x plus 2y equals 1, you should find the ratio of x is to y. So first thing, what we need to do is to multiply the 9 through. Remember, this 9 will only affect the numerator. So 9 times x gives us 9x. 9 times 2 gives us 18y. And this is divided by x plus 2y equals 1. You all know that here we can do simple cross multiplication. So this multiplied by this multiplied by this. 1 times this gives us 9x minus 18y equals x plus 2y. Is that okay? Good. Now, let me group like this. So this x is positive. When I take additive inverse, it comes here, comes negative. So I'm going to have 9x minus x equals 2y. So this is negative 18y, comes additive inversely, we have positive 18y. Is that okay? 9x minus x is 8x, okay? 2y plus 18 is 20y. But remember, we are interested in x is to y, which is the same as x over y. So here, x should come first. So if I divide, look, let me divide here by 8, here by 8 first, okay? I know what I'm doing this. So that I have my x to be equals to, I think 4 goes here, 2, 4 goes there, 5. So I have 5 over 2y. Now let me divide over 2y. Now here I can divide here by y. here 2 by y, so that this y goes with this. So that I have my x over y equals 5 over root 2. So therefore the ratio of x is to y is equals to 5 is to what? 2. So I think this is very simple. If you have any challenges or any problem, you can contact me or leave it in the comment section and I will address that. Thank you very much for watching. We move on to another.